do you really like the idea of meditating? Maybe even think you should be meditating, but perhaps you've never had a meditation experience that really impacted your life. Well, I want to show you something that I think you'll find amazingly helpful. You often have a little bit of a brain fog, or is your mind worrying, or does sometimes a melancholy set in and it just doesn't seem to go away? This for me was the total game changer. And in over 20 years of sharing it with other folks, it never ceases to amaze me how effective it is. So I'm going to share with you 3 specific exercises. Anyone can do these. You can do them from wherever you are right now. And even if you practice these one time, it can give you a pretty substantive meditation experience, which will ease the worrying mind, which will help cut through the fog, which will lighten our load, help us to feel good vitality in our body, a sense of inner upliftment, a sense of inner creativity. First, though, we need to unpack 2 really important things. Number 1 is life force, sometimes called chi, or often called prana. Your life force is the very bridge between your body and your mind. So when you're using these types of yogic exercises that we're going to do together, that directly work with your chi, with your prana, with your life force, 2 important things happen. Number 1, your body, its tissues, and its cells are infused with a new vitality. Number 2, the mind experiences a deeper state of contentment and stability. The second thing we need to unpack together is the crucial importance of your endocrine system, your glands, the very guardians of your health, and your nervous system. When you use the exercises that concentrate the prana, that concentrate the life force, which I'm about to share with you, that causes your nervous system to get a revitalization, and it causes your glandular system to come into balance. Pituitary, pineal, they'll start to secrete into your bloodstream. That gives the mind a greater ability to focus. That gives the mind greater contentment, and then that helps us to experience a deeper, genuine sense of joy, a genuine sense of meaning and purpose. So I'm really excited for you to try these exercises out. You're going to experience for yourself what I mean by life force and by your nervous system revitalizing and glands secreting and the mind coming into contentment. To do the exercises with me, and each one of them is kind of like a journey in and of itself. You just follow the link here. That's going to take you to our webpage. On the webpage, all you have to do, just takes a moment. You enter your name and your email, 20 seconds. And that gives you totally free access to all 3 of these. I'm going to unpack how it all works. You're going to experience for yourself how it works. Feel good in the body. Feel like yourself. Feel a sense of good joy, good creativity. So follow the link here, and I'll see you on the next page.